Hello, children. Our topic for today is plants as a source of food. Students, we always say that plants are very important for all of us. They are the main source of food. We get fruit and vegetables from them. So, what are these fruits and vegetables? We know that the green plants make their own food, and some food is used by them for their own growth. But what happens to the extra food that is left behind? Plants don't have refrigerators like us to store their food, right? So, what do they do with that extra food? Students, different plants store food in the different parts of them. Some plants store the extra food in the fruit. Like in the mango tree, the extra food prepared by the tree is stored in its mango fruit. And we all love to eat mangoes, right? So, students, in the story, we saw the veggie monster thought the roots are useless, and hence he didn't want the roots as a share. But he was surprised to know that the carrots which we eat are actually the roots. Same way, the radish, beetroot, turnip, all are roots. Observe all these roots carefully, they are all swollen, unlike the roots of other plants. So, students, think why are the roots of these plants swollen? Let us try to understand this. The carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip plants store their extra food in their roots, and hence it becomes swollen, and we eat it roots. That is the extra food of the plant. Can we eat the stems of certain plants? Yes, my dear students. In the story, the monster was surprised to know that the potatoes are actually underground stems that we eat. The potato plants store the extra food in the underground stem. Hence, the stem becomes swollen and we eat it as potato vegetable. Students, same way, ginger is also an underground stem which we use in our food. So, from which part of the plant we get sugar? We get sugar from the juicy stems of the sugarcane plants. Similarly, in the story, the monster thought that the leaves are just meant for the plant eating animals like the goat. But we humans also eat many kind of leaves as vegetable. The cabbage, coriander, spinach, mint, all are leaves of different plants. In fact, students, tea is also a leaf of tea plant. So, tell me, are flowers just good for smelling and seeing? No. We also eat certain flowers as vegetables like cauliflower and broccoli. Surprising, isn't it? You may find it strange, but the vegetables are actually these different parts of the plant which we eat, like leaves, stem, roots, and even flowers. Like the monster in the story, many of us thinks seeds cannot be eaten, right? But actually our main food, that is cereal, pulses, consist mostly of plant seeds. The monster was shocked to know that the rice was actually the seed of the plant. Not just rice, the various cereals like wheat, maize, barley are also the seeds of plants. Students, even the pulses which we eat along with the rice or chapatis, like gram, peas, beans, are all the seeds of various plants. How about coffee? Any guesses? Okay, we get coffee from the seeds of the coffee plant. Not only coffee, students, many nuts we eat like cashew nuts, almonds, walnut, pistachios are also seeds. Can you think about spices? Spices that add flavor to food like pepper, cardamom, cloves, chili, etc. are also come from the plants. Students, a spice is nothing but a dried seed or a fruit or a root or a stem of the plant. So we see the various parts of the plants like the stem, roots, leaves, fruits, seeds are not only important to the plants for its growth but also for us as we eat many of these parts of the plant as our food. So, plants are very important for us and we should take care of our plants. Thank you, students.